Isabel?
Some pickle juice.
Pickle juice? Why?
Because.
Are you Sam like on iCarly?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Yeah. It's sour. You be quiet.
Are we paying you to do this?
Yeah.
How much money will you get?
$5.
What?
No.
From DJ?
Yeah. 5 cents.
One more sip.
So 30 cents. How was it?
Good.
Don't get sick.
Okay. Bye, pickle juice.
Better watch it down with some chocolate milk.
She has a chaser.
Are you okay?
What happened to your apple
water
sauce?
on it.
We can save it. Feel better now?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
DJ, will we videotape? Yeah, have some pickle juice.
No.
Come on, Jesus, your turn.
No.
Show me your haircut.